Our business degree programmes focus on real-world applications, case studies and hands-on experiences. These practical relevance helps you understand how theoretical concepts apply in the workplace, making your learning much more engaging and more applicable. Studying businesses provides insights into the complexities of the business world, including market dynamics, consumer behaviour, organisational structure and strategic management. This understanding prepares you to navigate the challenges and the opportunities of the global marketplace. With the increasing globalisation of markets, businesses need professionals who understand global trends, cultures and markets. Our business degree programmes adopt an international approach and embrace diverse perspectives, developing cross-cultural communication and so preparing you for success in the global marketplace. Business degree programmes often foster an entrepreneurial mindset, encouraging creativity, innovation and risk-taking. So whether you aspire to start your own business or to contribute to organisational innovation, a business degree programme provides you with the knowledge and skills needed in a dynamic, fast-paced environment. Overall, studying a business degree programme provides a solid foundation for a successful and fulfilling career, offering a blend of practical skills, theoretical knowledge and opportunities for personal and professional development.